What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Forex Scott. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing weekend. We had an amazing week in the markets. We had some people that tripled their account, quadrupled their account 5 times, 10 times their account this week. It was an amazing week in the market. So hopefully you guys caught the bag. Hopefully you guys caught some pips. You made some money this week. Sharing this video with you because I wanted to show you a setup that we saw on S&P 500 as of Thursday. Thursday, we had a major drop. It was probably the biggest drop since March, since the coronavirus or the pandemic had just surfaced. We had a major crash back in March. Yesterday, or the day before, well, yesterday, we had a huge drop in the economy, United States economy. The stock market was going crazy. The S&P 500, US 30, the NASDAQ, all of them correlate with each other. But I wanted to share with you how we were able and managed to get in a trade at the very top. I caught sale orders at the very top of S&P 500. I had sale stops and orders on the way down. I ended up having about 10 or so orders as this trade was going down over 2,900 points in 24 hours. But I'm gonna show you the confirmations that we got from our PETS perfect entry trading system that allowed us to get in early. We got a sniper entry, a perfect entry. We got an amazing entry on the S&P 500. So what are you seeing here is a lot of components that we have inside of the PET system. What we were seeing was we saw a major uptrend that was going. This is basically them pumping the markets to save the economy. That's a whole nother video. That's a whole nother story. Not going to get too deep into that. But notice how all of the candles are blue in our perfect entry trading system. When they're blue, we're looking for buy setup. We're not looking to sell until we know that we're in seller's territories. So the system is going to tell you which side you're on. And a lot of people, when they're trading, they don't necessarily know when to get in, when to get out, or what side they're on. You're either going to be on with the buyers, the bulls, or the bears, the sellers. You want to be riding with the trend. You don't want to go against the trend. The trend is your friend. So the PET system tells you if the colors are blue, the candles are blue, you're in buyer's territory. If the candles are red, of course, you're in seller's territory. But notice here, we have 4 confirmations right here. This is an hour chart. Notice in this hour candle, this is 4 confirmations in 1 hour. Notice here you have your a circle, a yellow circle with a 3 in it. Notice this also has the yellow circle. You might not see the 3 because we also have a star on top of it, and we have a white arrow with a green arrow inside of the white arrow. That is 4 confirmations in 1 hour that this uptrend is nearing a reversal. Not only that, it stalled, it hit a resistance level, it started to go sideways a little bit, it started to flatten out. You got a major push downward here. You have your yellow arrow, which is signifying that the entry is coming. This is your get ready arrow. Yellow means slow down. This is about to slow down. This uptrend is about to slow down. Now that I see my 2 confirmations, all we're looking for is our enter arrow, which is this red arrow here. This is your enter arrow. And not only that, I went ahead and just drew up my trend line because I wanted to make sure that if I get into a sale, that market structure was broken. So notice that market structure was broken here, all in this area. We got a break of an upward trend, which is market structure being broken. It came back up. I don't know if you see it, but it has a long wick that came back up and retested the trend line. And after it retested the trend line, it came all the way back down, and it pulled all the way back down, and it created a lower spinning top down here. It's not much of a body. It is all wicks. We got our enter arrow. You could have put a sell stop right here just in case. Usually what I do is I will wait for the first pullback. And when we got this pullback here, I would have put my sell stop under the previous low, because if it wanted to continue to go downward, if these signals are signifying that it's a trend reversal, and this trend reversal from an uptrend is about to go in the downtrend, after this pullback, I should expect price to go under this previous low. And that's exactly what happened. So I put my sell stop in and it activated my order. Notice it was directly in the profit, forever in profit, stayed in profit, no drawdown whatsoever. No drawdown whatsoever. The perfect entry trading system may not be perfect. Nothing in investment, nothing in business is 100% guaranteed. Of course, trading is risky. Therefore, Results will vary, of course, depending on the trader, what they're looking at, the time frame, and their experience. But when you add all of the components and you follow the steps and you utilize the tools, the templates, and the strategy that we give you once you're a part of the team and inside the beta testing group or inside of the PETS system group, you will find yourself getting inside of trades at the right time. You will notice that your win ratio is going to go up. You will notice that you won't have to risk as much on a trade. If this was my sell stop, my stop loss would of course have been above previous highs. These are all the highs. This is my ultimate stop loss. If this is the high, if this is where the trend is going to reverse, then price should not come back above this high. It had already broken market structure. I have my sell stop here, and notice price activated my sell and put me directly in the profit. It even gave me another enter arrow right here. This is a continuation arrow that this is going to continue to the downside. This system is amazing. We are giving access to everybody that is joining our group. If you join with our educational platform, if you join with our system, you're going to get access to not only this template, you're going to get access to multiple templates, multiple indicators. This is just one template that you're looking at. We have multiple templates that is built with customized indicators to fit your trading style. So if you want to enhance your journey, if you want to enhance your win ratio, if you're looking for the right group, the right team, community, education, and system or tools, get in contact with me today so I can show you how to get started. I can show you what we have available. I can show you some of the results that we're getting. Not only me, myself, I don't really like to speak a lot about my results. I more like to speak and encourage the people to watch the results of other traders that is inside of the group. We have people that are brand new. They're learning through our 2-week syllabus, and within 2 weeks to 30 days, they're already analyzing and marking up charts, and they're utilizing a PET system as extra confirmation. And that's exactly what we want for you. If you want the results, you need the results, you deserve the results, I suggest you get in contact with me so that I can get you set up correctly. I can get you on your journey to making 6 figures as a Forex trader. Hopefully, you have a wonderful, wonderful summer. Hopefully you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the year in 2020. Do not let this pandemic or this crisis get in your way of getting the results you deserve and reaching your goals. This is Aaron Forex Scott. I see you guys in the next video.